The Hyundai Kona's infotainment system serves as the central hub for navigation, audio control, and connectivity features like Bluetooth and Apple CarPlay. This system may occasionally freeze due to software glitches or overload, particularly in older models. Newer models from 2020 onward often receive over-the-air updates that automatically fix many of these issues. However, 2018 to 2022 models are more prone to freezes caused by software problems. Understanding the difference between reset methods helps you choose the right solution without unnecessary data loss. A soft reboot simply restarts the system, clearing temporary memory while preserving all your settings and data. This is the best option for minor screen freezes. A factory reset erases all user data, apps, and custom settings, restoring the system to its original state. Use this only for persistent software issues that soft reboots can't fix. Choosing the appropriate reset method based on your situation will help get your Kona's infotainment system running smoothly again. For a quick fix to minor freezes, perform a soft reboot by holding the power button on the infotainment screen for 5 to 10 seconds until the system restarts. This clears temporary memory without losing your data. If a soft reboot doesn't resolve the issue, proceed to a factory reset through the Settings menu. Navigate to Settings, then General, then Reset, and select Factory Reset. You may need to enter a PIN, and note that this will erase all personal data and settings. For completely unresponsive systems, perform a hard reset by disconnecting the car battery for 10 to 15 minutes. Always consult your vehicle's manual first to ensure safety and avoid triggering any systems like airbags. To prevent future freezes, regularly update your system through Settings, then System, then Software Update. Remember to always park the car and turn off the engine before performing any reset procedures to ensure your safety.